Like, I don't...
Okay, so the story is that we're at a hot spring, and we did not think that the hot spring was going to be like this like monetized and developed, I guess. I don't know, I've never been to one. I just like, there's a house up there that you have to pay a fee to sit in a thing that like, it looks like a swimming pool, and you can go sit in that after you pay a fee. But over here there's all these signs that say danger, stay out of the overflow ponds.
No, it's an overflow from that pool. Of the same water in that pool. Overflowing.
Right. And like, everyone's sitting in it. So anyway, it's not what I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah. No, I would like, that looks like a perfect spot. Camp, dangerous. Not there though.
I don't know.
When you pay money, it's safe.
I think it's probably fine. Alright, well, it's hot right there. It's cold right here. It's lukewarm right here. Riley, what do you think, buddy? There's a propane guy. Alright, we did find a spot here. Look at my sandal tan. This is like hot water. And then this is freezing cold river water.
Still people camping out there. Riley!
Hi, baby. Hi, cows. Do you see those puppy cows?
Did you want to go camping with the...
Hi. Oh, look at this one laying in the cow grass. Oh, he's such a cutie patootie.
There used to be bison there. Say bye, cow.
So now it's raining, and we're listening to a podcast about the Unabomber. And Nick's wet still, so he has to sit in the front seat. Alright, and then we made pizzas on the fire. This is Nick's. And this one's mine. No cheese, of course. Voila.